Alright, I'm going to make my loop. Okay. Now, I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. I'm going to slip stitch into the first chain, yarn over and pull through again. Alright, that's your slip stitch. Now I'm going to chain 2. I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to do a half double crochet. I'm going to do 8 in total. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, I'm going to stop at 7 because the first one counts as number 8. So, you chain 4 and slip stitch, and then you chain 2, which counts as your first one, and you do 7 around, which makes a total of 8. And then you slip stitch into the first stitch. Okay. Now, chain 2. And then you are going to yarn over and go back through the same stitch. So what you're going to be doing on this round is 2 in each stitch. Alright, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm putting 2 in each stitch. So, alright, there's 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So that was 2, stitches in each stitch around, and you will slip stitch into the second chain here. Alright, for a total of 16. Okay, I am going to pause this video for just a moment, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back, and if you've noticed, I have chain 4, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to half double crochet into the next stitch. Okay, now this time you're going to chain 2 instead of 4, and you're going to go into the next stitch with a half double crochet. I'm working with half double crochets. To half double crochet, you yarn over, go through, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all 3. So it's yarn over, go into your next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go through your next stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3, yarn over, go through your next stitch, yarn over and pull through all 3. Now what I will do is I will pause the video and I will come back when I'm to the end. Okay guys, I'm back, and I have made it to the end here, and this is what it should look like. And I am going to slip stitch into the second chain here. So there's 1, 2. Slip stitch is kind of like this. You just go count 1, 2, go into your chain, yarn over, and pull through, and then pull through both chains, and that will that's your slip stitch. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to just yarn over, and without any chains, no, I take that back, yarn over 1 chain, just make 1 chain, and then yarn over, and I'm going to go in, and I am going to double crochet into this hole right here, 3 times. So a double crochet is yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through again. So yarn over, go into your hole, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2 more. So yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through 2 more. I hope you're seeing this pretty good. Alright. Now I'm going to chain 1. I'm going to go back and yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 more. So you see I'm putting 3 in each hole. Alright, do it one more time. So you see what I'm doing? I'm putting 3 double crochets in each hole. There's 3 there, 3 there, and I will do this in each hole all the way around. And I will be back when I'm at the end of my row there. Okay guys, what I did, I went all the way around, and I'm going to kind of recap here. I did 3 double crochet into the first hole there, and then a chain, 3, and a chain, 3, and keep going all the way around like that. And at the end, I slip stitched into the first chain to give it that petal look. So I will stop there and I will continue in a minute. Okay, now what I'm going to do here is I am going to half double crochet into the same stitch. So yarn over and go through, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through again. And then now I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to half double crochet into the next hole. I don't know if y'all can hear the wind blowing here, but boy, it's blowing pretty hard. Alright, again, chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we're going to go into the next hole. And we are going to half double crochet. So what you're doing is chaining 5, half double crochet, chain 5, half double crochet, chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go into the next hole. And you will do that with a half double crochet all the way around. And I will be back once I'm at the end of this row. Okay, I made it to the end, and what I will do is I will slip stitch right into the top of that half double crochet. Okay. Okay guys, what I'm going to do now, excuse me, is I am going to single crochet into the hole here. Okay, now I am going to double crochet into the space 8 times. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, again, single crochet, and then double crochet 8 times. 2, 3, 4, Alrighty, see how it's going along? So I will do that to the end. Again, remember the first one is a single crochet, and then the next 8 will be double crochets, and I will meet up with you at the end of this row. Okay guys, I made it to the end, and I slip stitched into the first chain. So there you have it guys.